Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo A5 Pro and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the notifications and quick settings. Here we have to tap on status bar and battery percentage. So basically the displaying of battery percentage depends on the battery style. In the horizontal option, which is currently applied, we can show the percentage inside the battery icon. Outside the battery icon, simply tap on the specific option and it will be applied, or do not show it at all. However, if we will choose, for example, the vertical option, the only option to show the battery percentage is to show it next to the battery icon. As you can see, we do not have the opportunity to choose any kind of displaying option. All you can do is to simply tap on this switcher. So basically this is how it works in this specific device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.